With Android Auto, you can access some of the features of your Android device through your vehicle. Visit this website for a list of available functions and compatibility. For best results, update your device to the latest software version. If your device is not equipped with the appropriate software version, you may need to download the Android Auto app to your Android mobile device to use this feature in your vehicle. First, visit the Google Play Store on your phone to download the Android Auto app to your device. Then, launch the app on your Android phone and follow the prompted directions to set up the application. Next, connect your Android device to one of these USB ports. You can also connect your device via Bluetooth by touching this icon, Connections. Then from the Device menu, touching Add Device. Follow the prompts on the screen and your device. Once connected, a prompt may appear on the display. Touch Start Android Auto. Touch this icon on the launch bar to display a list of available apps and touch to select. Touch this icon or an item on the launch bar to return to normal vehicle functions. To disable or enable Android Auto, touch this icon, touch Connections, Device, this information icon, then Android Auto to set the setting to active or inactive. From this menu, you can also touch Vehicles Help for Android Auto to view helpful tips on using the app. For hands-free operation, you can press and hold this button on your steering wheel or touch this key on the display. You will not be able to use the phone handset while Android Auto is running. For best results when using Android Auto, speak clearly and reduce background noise by closing the windows and moonroof, if so equipped. Also, direct the vents so that they are not pointing toward the vehicle microphone. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.